try to stay in the middle 2 lanes, but slow moving traffic keeps preventing us from moving, and that's fine. It's just real life out here. So that truck, that Sierra, GMC Sierra is speeding. That's why they keep tailgating. See how quickly they're changing lanes? It's not worth it. So either that's a young driver, 10 years or less, impatient, and they make this all dangerous. I'm not going to change lanes to left because I don't want to cut off this truck. But one thing that you should see is keeping space. I don't have to be anywhere. I want to make it alive. And that's what I need you to understand by looking at this. I'm at about 48, 49. 2 or 3 miles an hour makes a difference. Running a light, slamming brakes. And I think if you live long enough and drive 5, 6, 10 years, that car's still cutting off people. And it's starting to rain more. You're going to find out more about driving. So it's raining harder, removing visibility. For some of you, you would say, this is too much. I got anxiety. I'm so happy it's raining like this, so you know. We're at 39. So I'm just adjusting speed, taking my time. There's nothing you can do. Okay, I'm gonna get over one moving to the right, sit down with my right shoulder, try to keep space. That tailgate was kind of weird. It says a tiny bit. This vehicle to the left doesn't have tail lights on. They're dangerous. So that's the ticket. So they don't have any lights on. So they are extremely dangerous. So we're at 49. Still raining. It's getting worse. Try to be as predictable as possible. And in your community, these lights are on timers. Really, if you have your civil engineers adjusting with the flow of the traffic, you'll be able to make those lights. I'm in the right lane. Oh, it's a little hard for me to see the miles now. So we're all vulnerable. Okay? Now I'm in my lane again. About 47. Taking our time. Good. I'm gonna get over one lane to the left. About 3 blinks. Look at some of the constant things. I have pretty good speed control. I'm not trying to tailgate anyone. If they want to go faster, I'm at 50. They're about 55, 57. But the police get them a ticket right now, though. If there was a problem, sure, they get pulled over. I'm also listening to the sound of the tires on the road. If I feel like there's a lot more water and we're starting to hydroplane, I'm going to reduce speed. If you were my first step drivers, I would just have us in the middle lane or the right lane and just say, hey, go with the flow, stay chilled, don't look down. Out of 10, I would say these wipers are about a 9. They're doing their job. and I'm going to keep them at the same speed. I'm not going to go any slower with them or faster. Squeezing my brakes. See all this glare. It's really hard to see. And this is what is challenging for beginners. So what am I doing? I'm just looking ahead. I'm checking my mirror. Then I'm gradually picking up again. I don't see people driving super fast. But it's starting to rain harder. It's harder to see. If you were driving with me and having a difficult time, we might have to reschedule. But also, this is a really good teachable moment. We're at 37 and a 50. Some of you are saying, how come you're not going faster? Look at the rain. Let's drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. Bright headlights will help you because they will reflect the rain particles. And most of the cars are kind of at the same speed anyway. My hands are 10 and 2 or 9 and 3.